Hello and welcome to Someday Models. My name is Tom and I have a large stack of second-hand vintage model kits sitting around in my cupboard that I have big plans to absolutely, certainly, definitely, totally gonna build someday. Now we will be having an out-of-the-box look at this model kit. Would you like to see the build video? Subscribe to make sure you do. The build will happen someday. Today, however, we will be taking a look at this currently available Messerschmitt Me 209 V4 German Second World War era prototype airplane in 1:72 scale. This version is the military propaganda prototype ME 209 V4, one of two versions of the kit released in 2018, the other being the racing prototype ME 209 V1. Only 4 prototypes were ever made of this aircraft. The racer version did set the airspeed record before the outbreak of the war, a record for piston-engined aircraft that stood unbroken for 30 years. This video is all about showing what is in the box of this vintage model kit. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this sort of thing. Since nobody really wants to listen to some random person just commenting on and pointing out all the stuff that is right there on the screen, I'll shut up for now. Here's some nice music to listen to instead. So there we have it. The contents of a currently available Messerschmitt Me 209 V4 World War II era German prototype airplane model kit in 1:72 scale. Here's the next kit to feature in an out-of-the-box video. Subscribe and ding the bell if you would like to see it. Comment below if you have any requests for a particular aircraft. You never know, I might just have it.